While AI brings many benefits, it also creates serious challenges that affect our lives and communities. AI's main disadvantages fall into four key areas: job loss, bias issues, privacy problems, and technical errors. As AI systems become smarter, they increasingly replace human workers, leading to widespread job displacement. Factory machines, customer service chatbots, and self-driving vehicles are already taking over roles once filled by people. When AI learns from biased data, it creates unfair hiring practices and facial recognition that fails certain groups. AI systems actively collect your personal searches, voice recordings, and behavior patterns, threatening your privacy. AI makes critical mistakes too. Translation errors, driving accidents, and wrong advice can all cause serious problems. The high costs of AI development limit access for schools, hospitals, and developing countries. Overdependence on AI can weaken our basic human skills like problem solving and map reading. Bad actors misuse AI to spread fake news, run scams, and create dangerous weapons. These AI challenges matter especially in the GCSE region and similar areas worldwide. Governments, schools, and businesses must work together to protect citizens through data protection, education, and ethical practices. Ethics, safety, and human care must guide all AI development and use. AI is a powerful tool, but power must come with responsibility. Understanding how AI works and its risks helps us build a fair future for everyone.